Good morning, Ken at Tortoise Capital. We're going to update our 30-minute swing portfolio this morning, December 22nd, 2022. Cliff, you've seen we've been trading the swings pretty well on the turning points in the RL10 and the PSAR flips. This last one here was a fail and then a stop and reverse with a routine stop below the belly of the dragon and the RL10. Got a very favorable gap up. It went all the way up to 17 and started to decay. We decided to keep half of that gift bar plus the gap. So the Cliff swing trade is closed. We're going to stock this on a shorter time frame to see if there's maybe a 1, 2, 3 entry like on a 3-minute. If we took a quick look at that right now, you'd say, yeah, probably so. That's probably a good place to enter. You can see where we got out on the 3-minute. Excuse me. On the 30-minute in Devon, we also exited today. Our latest trade was a Kata 2, which began to decay through the 30-minute PSAR. Exited here, feeling pretty good about that. That turned out to be a very nice intraday on the 3-minute. The signal to get out of the swing also led us into a really nice 3-minute intraday only trade, so that's an example of hybrid. Mexico terminated today on the PSAR flip on the 30 after this Kata 2 long position. This also turned out to be a nice intraday. Those 30-minute fails after good swings, that turns out to be a strategy. You can see what that looks like on the intraday as well. This was the region we got out in, up in here. It shows like a big blob on the 3-minute, but you can see where we were on the 30. Had no swing on Brazil, although this one was offering a 3-minute intraday that we're playing. On the 30-minute, we had exited 2 days ago on the failure to follow through, and basically just a timing exit. Studying this one for breakout, this feels like a breakdown. The real estate, this is residential real estate. We'd had a short from here to the SSC stop and reverse. We exited that one today on general market weakness for basically a scratch. This is clean energy. We'd had a 2-position short covered at the SSC, stop and reverse. That collapsed today, and then we got the short here. This is my favorite short today, catching it in that 3-minute OR3 and just crushing this one. Treasuries, we'd been short from about 107 and some change, covered at the SSC. We've been stalking a retracement in here. This feels like it wants to get going, but I want to see a breakout above 104 with the RL10, and then that has a good chance of getting back here. I would auto short it below 103. U.S. Steel was the other intraday. We had a swing at the SSC, rode this one on the collapse of the PSAR on the intraday. This was a closing the swing and then getting short in the usual way up in this region and just recently covered. So that's the quick look at the hybrid swing on the 30-minute and day trade, intraday trading on the 3-minute. Thanks for your kind attention.